Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. So this one we can put like this. So we have the formula in here. So this one, we need to transform this one into this one, capital A, that is about cosine x. So this one, that is about cosine x. Now we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to sine x. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have cosine x dx. Now this one we change for u. Cosine x dx we change for du. And we have like this about u, that is about sine x. Now let's go to the number 2. We do the same technique. So we put about e to the power of cosine x, e to the power of ln sine x. Now we apply the same formula in here. So this one we will have sine x. Now we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to cosine x. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both sides. So because we don't have the negative sign in here, so I will put this one go to the left. So this one we change for u. Sine x dx we change for negative du. And now we have the final answer about u, that is about cosine x. This is the end. Thank you for watching.